Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love cakes. I for one enjoy making homemade cakes. So today I'm going to show you a simple mango rava cake recipe. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the mango rava cake, first I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients. The puree of 1 large mango, quarter cup of ghee, add 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon almond essence. So mix all the wet ingredients together. Keep this aside. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour or Maida 1 cup, half cup rava or Semolina, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 cup sugar. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix everything together. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Next, I'm going to grease the cake tin. Place a piece of butter paper. Pour the prepared cake batter into the tin. Just give it a quick shake so it's evenly spread out. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees. The mango rava cake is ready. So here is an absolutely delectable, soft and moist mango rava cake. I'm sure you can't wait to try this. So you all are going to really enjoy it because I loved making it and I enjoyed eating it as well. So definitely do try and enjoy this mango rava cake. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.